Is it possible for me to make 10,000 using these 4 indicators? In this video, I'm going to show you the cons and pros of this strategy. Make sure you watch the entire video. There will be multiple pro tips for you to enhance your win rate, whether you are experienced trader or beginner. Okay guys, in this video I will have multiple pro tips for you guys. Alright, I want to show you guys something very important about parabolic SAR. So watch the entire video, because it will be somewhere in this video I will expose parabolic. Secret hidden formula. Okay, anyway, you notice that we crossed the lower line of the Williams R, right, which is one signal. Then we are below the moving average, that's another signal, and we are below parabolic SAR, which is another signal, plus vortex has been crossed, and this trade turns out to be a winning trade. Let's find our next opportunity. Nicely done. If you pay attention here now guys, you see that the second parabolic has formed, right? We are above the moving average, and we saw that vortex was crossed in the higher direction at the time, and yeah, Williams R is above the line here. It's trying to cross, but the main thing is that when you enter your trade, make sure all signals are pointing in the same direction. If the signal changes last minute, there is nothing you can do about that. Okay, so let's wait on our trade to close right here. You see the signals start to become stronger, guys. This is the reason why I said in this video I will share something about parabolic SAR, which will increase your win rate. Alright, I'm taking this out, guys. This trade, as I was skipping through, I saw this trade just, immense on my timeline. But I just realized something. This trade is not very good. I just realized that, guys. I was just looking for opportunity. I couldn't find anything, so I just entered regardless. And this is a thing, guys, which makes a lot of persons lose trades also. But whenever you take trades like this, guys, when you know it's not good and you take it and you lose it, blame yourself. You can't really blame the strategy. See what I'm saying? Because you didn't trade it perfectly. Right now, if I lose this trade, I would be vexed at myself, not the strategy, because again, the strategy does what it's supposed to do, right? But you break the rules, so you have to face the consequences of that. See what I'm saying? Let's continue this speech on the next trade. I'm going to take 2 trades here, guys. And the reason why I took a double trade right here was because I saw this strong engulfing candle, right? And we're still above the moving average. But the beautiful thing about this trade, guys, is that this trade, we are freshly above the moving average. So this tells me that the price is strong, right? Because it's not like it's been there for a very long time and it becomes weak. It is strong because it's fresh. And you see, guys, this is where common sense come into the game too. You have to really think when you're trading. You can't just press the button. Guys, I really want you guys to really learn and understand that trading requires patience, paying attention, and you have to willing to be learning. You have to willing to learn, guys. You have to willing to learn. You understand? Okay, guys, so what I wanted to share with you guys, when you're entering your trades, you should either enter on the 6 parabolic SAR or less. 6, 2 to 6. Now, if you enter on your 6, your trade might close on the 7th if you're doing one candle, or the 8th if you're doing two candles. The reason why I said don't let it pass the 6, it's because the longer the parabolic are, it becomes a little bit weaker. It becomes weaker, not a little bit, it becomes weaker, okay? The fresher it is, the stronger it is, based on the settings I set. So each settings require different amount. Like some settings may require you to not take trade after 3 parabolic. That's what I'm saying. But this settings is different. It's for 6. So this is the pro tip. I hope you guys understand. If you don't understand, you can comment in the comment section. And if somebody else understand, you can answer to them and let them understand. Let's find our next opportunity. Okay. You notice this is the third parabolic SAR. We are below the moving average. The Williams R has crossed the lower line. Okay. And the vortex also has crossed each other. This signals to me that the price will go down. Plus, we are in the direction of the trend. Let me remove this alarm. Right. So you guys seen what's going on here. Once you follow all instructions correctly, you will see results. And the next thing, guys, you need to use money management. It's very, very crucial. If you want to trade with 3%, you can go ahead, or 2%. But try as a beginner or a trader who's not profitable, I would not suggest you to go higher than 3% because your emotions will start to kick in. You see what I'm saying? Indicators. The settings for today's indicator will be vortex. It's gonna be 8. V plus white 2 pixel. Okay. You pick on the white right here, then you go on the 2 pixel. And then you do this for the same thing here. Red 2 pixel. Hit save. Then for Williams R, we choose period 9. And again we choose our color here, then 2 pixel. Color 2 pixel. Okay, you get the idea. And then we leave all the lines active, right? We don't dismiss any lines. This is supposed to be an 20 minus. This is supposed to be an 80 minus. Okay, then you hit save. Now let's move on to the moving average, which is 120 EMA, right? Not SSMA, not SMMA or WMA, EMA. Then for the style, it's blue, right? 2 pixel. Then it's save. For parabolic SAR, our favorite, 0.033, 0.25. So the acceleration is 0.33 and maximum acceleration is 0.25. Now for the color, it's white, 2 pixel. The main line, make sure it's selected and it's save. Remember guys, practice becomes perfect. If you're looking for consistency in your trading sessions, my mentorship can help you overcome that hurdle and become profitable. If you're interested, use the link in the description to apply for the mentorship, and I will see you guys on the inside. Now, for my loyal viewers, for the ones who just want to hear me speak, the ones who love to hear when I talk about trading, and the ones who are really, really fascinated and want to become profitable and need a little psychological talk, I'm gonna do a little talk for you guys right now. If you're one of those egotistic person who just want to get profitable without learning how to be profitable, yeah, you can skip this part of the video. That part already gone for you. This is for the people who want to learn about trading deeply. No, guys, I'm not going to talk too long, but I just want to say something. You have to have a money management. You have to follow your strategy. you have to make sure that whatever rules, strategy, money management you set, do not break them. The moment you break your rules, what happens is you start to break other rules. If you break money management rule, you will start to break strategy rule, and it go vice versa. See what I'm saying? The more disciplined you are, the quicker you will start to see some progress in your trading. Okay? And this is why I offer the mentorship, guys. It's not only about strategies and stuff like that. It's also about guidance, understanding, psychology. Psychology doesn't get a lot of respect, but to be honest with you guys, psychology is a big part in trading. Okay? And there is a correct way to learn, and there is a wrong way to learn trading. Many people learning wrong. That's why even if I create the YouTube videos and I'm showing them what to do, some people will get it, but some people will be like, I'm still not seeing what happened, because some people do not know how to learn. And this is what I'm trying to show you guys, that in the mentorship, everything is there to equip you to learn, to understand. Plus you will have me to guide you also additionally, right? So there's just everything there for you to be successful, guys. It's not only about just watching the videos and stuff like that in the mentorship. There's just other things that go along with it. You see what I'm saying? And this is the reason why this mentorship is so unique and different, because I am trying to create the most profitable traders ever. Okay? Yeah. So this will be it, guys. I don't want to spend too long just talking about psychology. But if you guys love to hear me speak about psychology at the end of the videos or during the videos or whatever, just comment what you want in the comment section, and I will try to make more videos about psychology, because psychology is very important, right? And if you guys love price action, indicator strategy, candlestick psychology, comment down below and let me know what type of trading style you like. I'm trying to make sure that everyone is getting a strategy or just something. I'm trying to cater for every type of traders. As I said previously, there are 3 types of traders, so I'm trying to cater for everyone. But at the end of the day, if majority of the people on my channel wants price action, that's what I have to give them. You see what I'm saying? So yeah, comment down below and let me know what type of trading style you want, and I will try to make more of those content. But I will still make content for everyone, but I will more focus on those content. So comment down below, and the most comments with the type of trading style, that's the style I'm going to use mostly in my YouTube videos. Okay? So yeah, I will see you guys in the next video of a successful trading day, successful trading month, successful trading week. And I will see you guys in the next video. Peace out.